In this video, I'm going to show you how you can find all your saved posts, images, or even videos on Google App. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. So if you want to find this, open your Google app, and first I'll try to save any post. For instance, I'll save this post by just tapping on these three lines and then tap on save. If I do so, now you can see this has been added to collection. Now next time I want to find this saved item, just open your Google app and then head to your profile icon on top here. Under this, scroll down until you see this option for saves and collections. If you tap on it, here you can see we have two categories of collections. We have collection for all saved items and then saved for later. So to see all your saved item, just go to all saved items, and you can see currently I have 3, and this is the latest to be saved. From here, now you can tap on any to open it, or if it is a video, you can also open it. So tap on the link to visit it, or you can as well share it or remove it from saved list. So that's how you can find all your saved items on Google app. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.